Hey guys, Harshu the Little Chef is back with another delicious recipe.
Which curry, Harshu?
Shrimp curry. Small little shrimp curry.
Wow, that looks incredible.
But before we start, look at this baby bird. Do you know what bird this is?
I will tell you the answer later in the video. But for now, let's start cooking.
I bought 1 pound of shrimp and peeled it and washed it.
The first thing we're supposed to do for the shrimp curry is boil the shrimp. Now I will put 1 pinch of turmeric while the shrimp is boiling. After it's all mixed up properly, we should put the lid on it. Now let's see what's going on with the shrimp. The shrimp is now boiled, so we can take it out. Since we are done with boiling the shrimp, we should start with the next process.
Along with these ingredients, we will need 2 chopped green chilies, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped. Add 3 tablespoons of oil.
The next thing we're supposed to do is put mustard seeds and jeera seeds. Now we should put the green chili. Ouch. Now we should add the onions. Mix well. We should now add a little bit of salt. When we add salt to the onions, it will fry better. Put the lid on for 1 minute. Now we will check the status on the onions. Now it's time to add the ginger garlic paste. And we should also add the turmeric. Mix both of these consistently. The next ingredient that we will be using is tomato slices. Mix. Now we should put the lid on again. Wow! Now the tomatoes are cooked. Now we should put the chili powder. Mix it well. We should also put the cilantro powder and salt in now. Mix well again. Now we should put the shrimp in to the curry. Mix it consistently. The curry is starting to get a little dry, so we should add some water. I added water because I wanted to have something with the gravy texture. I will put the lid on for 1 minute. It's been 1 minute, so we can take the lid off. Mix it properly. Now we should put the garam masala in. Mix it properly. Now it's time to add the cilantro. Mix it around. Now the curry is done, so we can off the stove, or also known as a skillet. Since the shrimp curry is now cooked, we can put it in a serving bowl. Now my brother and I are going to taste the curry. It is really good. I hope you all enjoyed the shrimp curry, as it is one of my favorite curries. Before I go, remember the baby bird I showed you in the beginning of the video? It's a flamingo. Flamingos are actually born with white feathers and look like any other type of baby birds that have white feathers. Flamingos grow up, they get pink. But do you know why?
It's because they eat shrimp.
But this is not the only reason why they get pink. There are more than one ways that they can get pink, but this is one of the main reasons.
So will you turn pink if you eat lots of shrimp? Who knows? Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. See you in the next video.